Here we go. Quarter-final number 3 at the Iqbal Stadium, Faisalabad. Faisalabad won the toss and they're batting first. Straight away, after the bowler who's got 3 wickets on debut in the previous outing for Peshawar. Good way to attack him.
By Faizan.
Nah, back leg, but still. Oh, he's given out. Oh, for a moment, I thought that might just miss.
From the front, hitting the back leg. Asif Yaqub very sure about this one. Faizan goes for 4. 4 for 1.
Not a bat on that one. No, he's surely going down. You need another set of stumps to get that one out. That's not a bad ploy. Down the wicket, just clear that mid-on fielder and get to the boundary. That's how you use the power play. End of the over with that 4, and they probably missed out on those 15-20 runs. Should be runs here. Now this outfield is somewhere in the middle. A few days you feel it's lightning quick. Sometimes it allows the fielders to catch up. That's high in the air. Now this should be out. Mid-wicket is under it. Should be taken. And yes, it is. A release shot. Maaz Sadakat takes that catch. That's a very, very, well, sort of shot out of frustration.
We'll talk about Awais. Was not, once again, the ball was not middled, timed properly. Maaz Sadakat taking a high, good catch. Pressure catch that was from Maaz Sadakat. Awais Zafar goes for 4. 14 for 2.
Straight. Now, this is what I'm talking about. If you really want to take that risk, hit in the areas where you know that the fielders are not there in the deep.
Well, the head position and connection was way better. The hand-eye coordination over there. Absolutely brilliant by Ali.
For him. Oh, another full toss and almost gave his wicket cotton bowled. Both batter and bowler are struggling.
जब तक के ऐसी ख़राब गेंदें ना आए और इसे फाइन लग की जानिब खेलने में कामयाब हुए, लुढ़का दिया 4 रन्स के लिए अली ने।
ये देखिए एक्स्ट्रा कवर का शॉट, बहुत खूबसूरत कदमों का इस्तेमाल और लिफ्ट कर दिया इसे 6 रन्स के लिए। शानदार शॉट अली का। ये देखिए एक बार फिर स्टेबल हेड था, कहीं पर भी बॉडी अलाइनमेंट जो है वो डिस्टर्ब नहीं हुई। ये देखिए कितना स्मूथ, सिर्फ लिफ्ट किया उन्होंने, टाइम किया बॉल को। अगर अच्छी लेंथ पे बॉल होता है तो फिर बैटर को बनाना पड़ता है। ये देखिए ये अच्छा टाइम और गैप में खेला इसको। थर्ड मैन के फील्डर के लिए चेस है और 2 रन्स एटलीस्ट कट ऑफ किए हैं उन्होंने इस शानदार फील्डिंग के साथ।
Oh no, I thought he's reached there, but Nizar could not quite reach that. Another boundary.
If they're going to have Darren Gough as their coach or continue with him, we don't know. That's a boundary. That's a very sloppy way of trying to stop the ball. He's reached it and then dived over it.
ये 170-180 रन्स के लिए ये कतई तौर पर नहीं खेल रहे और अब थोड़ी सी विड्थ मिल गई और टाइमिंग लाजवाब। बाय दो शायद तैमूर सुल्तान का शानदार शॉट। ये हीरो बनकर सामने आए हैं और पार्टनरशिप का इख्तिताम हो गया। फॉलो किया माज ने और अच्छी विकेट कीपिंग जुल्किफल की।
बिल्कुल यहाँ मेक श्योर करेंगे, अच्छी फेयर डिलीवरी की है। ये माज सदाकत ने ब्रेक थ्रू देने में कामयाब रहे हैं अपनी टीम को। मेन विकेट तैमूर की ली है, लाइन बिल्कुल मिस की, क्लीन स्टंपिंग रही है कीपर की जानिब से। तैमूर 36 रन बनाकर वापस जाएंगे
और ये रन्स और जो बाउंड्रीज का अकाल है उसको खत्म किया है अली शान ने। नया शानदार पुल शॉट।
बिल्कुल यहाँ पे आसिफ अली आए हैं तो उन्होंने और तेज खेलना शुरू कर दिया है अब अली शान ने।
Yeah, that's good. Flat 4 from Asif Ali. Oh, he might get lucky, Asif Ali. Might get few runs. At least couple, if not 4. Are they done well? Maybe.
Yeah, umpires are checking whether he made it safely, and He went well past the boundary ropes, then he dived, and his one hand is contact with the boundary line, and there he brings the ball back. So interesting decision, because when his hand touches the ball, his feet, I think, have left the ground. Leg buys and boundary signaled. This one is in the zone, leg side, but this is well taken by Maaz Sadakat. Yeah, that was never going to be on the cards, going across the line, and he has to pay the price.
That onside mid-wicket area, one too many, not quite getting the connection, no timing at all, and a very good catch by Maaz Sadakat. Yeah, that's, he can do as many shadow practice as he can, because now he will have to leave back scoring 9 off 11, 114 for 5.
Yeah, this is big. This is good connection. She goes out into the crowd. 6 runs. This is great from Rice.
Down the track and probably getting to the pitch of the ball, and that great swing of the bat. Great power behind it also. Feet. And again, that's thumped. That's very solid. That's 4.
At the very top level. This is flat, and this is to the fielder who drops it. It was hit hard, and it went to him at the rate of knots, and he couldn't gather it. This is the stroke again, going to Maaz, quick and flat. This is hit straight, not a lot of power in the stroke, but this can be 2 runs. This is good, decent running.
Through him, that's beautiful. That's a picture perfect, a dream delivery for a fast bowler, right in the bloke hole.
And absolutely a perfect delivery. Look at this, leg stump uprooted. No chance for the batter. That means Yorkers are coming, and what a beautifully executed Yorker. Another stump uprooted, this time the left-hander. This noise of uprooting stump is so pleasing on the ears when you're not a batsman.
Yeah, that's wonderfully bowled. Ahmed Safi Abdullah couldn't do much.
Yeah, great bowling that. Perfect Yorkers. And only 3 runs in the last over and couple of wickets for Amer, who's got 3 for 25 as his figures, and it's Faisalabad's total, that is 138 for 7 after 20 overs. Great death bowling from the Peshawar bowlers, restricting Faisalabad team to a very modest 138.